Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Tundra Limited Crewmax. And if you didn't know, for 2018, the Tundra and Sequoia did see a minor refresh to a new front end, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, option changes, stuff like that. But our main addition is we do have our TSSP standard right here behind your Toyota logo, and that does include your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, adaptive radar cruise, lane keep assist, as well as your automatic high beams. This one is in super white with the black leather. Then checking out our window sticker. As far as options go, we do have the limited premium package, as well as the moonroof, spray and bed liner, and clear protection door package, as well as phone charger for a total of $46,932. Gas mileage is going to be 13 city and 18 highway, with this being a 4x2 model. Coming down here to your wheels, Bridgestone tires on your 20-inch alloys, mud flaps as you can see, coming around back, rear parking sensors and a rear backup camera. Integrated key fob is new as well for 2018. And then stepping in, this one does have 5 miles on it. Sticker key ignition and twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we do have the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam I-Force V8, producing 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels and a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, we have that black leather interior as previously mentioned. Some nice gray inserts with gray contrast stitching. Full power driver's seat with your power lumbar right there. I'll go ahead and close up the door on this brisk 29-degree day. Nice padded upper door panels, padded armrest, power windows, locks, and mirrors over here on the dash. We also do have our dome lights, as well as headlamp height, bed light, automatic high beams, and rear power glass that we can demonstrate right there. Looking in the rearview mirror, it is very fast. Then coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather wrapped wheel, side bolstering grip extensions, audio, voice commands and Bluetooth phone, as well as our 4-way D-pad for our new LCD center screen, and then our TSSP settings for our radar cruise and lane keep assist. Cruise control is mounted on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers. On the right are variable intermittent speed wipers. And then over here we also do have our parking sensors, traction control, tow haul mode, and trailer brake controller. Now checking out your audio system, going ahead and pressing right here. Checking out our sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary, all routed through your premium JBL audio. Going to apps, we have our navigation system, full-fledged head unit with HD traffic, address, point of interest, or 6 presets down below for your destination input. And then going home, a nice split screen view that you can customize right here. 2-panel or 3-panel, and just click the portion you'd like to change. So changing that to weather, you do have your HD weather right there. Down below that, dual zone auto climate control, driver front passenger temperatures, fan speed and zones, tri-stage heated front seats for your front passengers. Down below here, 2 audio inputs via USB and auxiliary, and 2 12-volt outlets, 3 cup holders, storage, and then this is going to be your 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift, reverse, rear backup camera with parking sensors as well, and a nice padded stitched armrest with limited badging, plenty of room in there, nice wood-like trim right here that is a matte finish, plenty of storage down in there, and we do have that charger that was on the window sticker. Auto-dimming rearview mirror with garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with map lights, sunglass storage, and power sliding function right here that is automatic. We'll go ahead and close that up. Don't want to let out too much heat. But let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. And with this being a Crewmax, of course your back seat space is abundant. Bottom seat cushions do fold up for storage, for stuff that you might not want in the bed that could potentially get wet or stolen. They do easily fold back down. Dual panel materials follow through with your padding and stitching, and padding right here on your armrest. And then with that front seat set my 5'9" driving frame, limo-like room back here, probably almost 2 feet of room between my knees and the back of the front seat. Vents and a 12-volt outlet back here. Rear seat mount pocket on the passenger side. Then over here to my right, a nice padded armrest with cup holders, as well as adjustable seat belts for your outboard passengers. Damped corning handles with coat hooks, and some nice dome lights up top. So that's about it for the back seat. Go ahead and give you a nice shot of the dashboard up there, and then we will check out the bed and wrap up the video. Now coming around back, as saw on the window sticker, we do have the spray and bed liner option on this one, on our 5.5 foot bed. On our tailgate, Tundra embossed into it right there, as well as our backup camera. Tailgate is nice and damped as well, which is a nice touch. We do have the bed rail system on all 3 sides, so you can tie down any larger items, but plenty of space back here. It is hydraulically assisted backup as well. But that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Tundra Limited Crewmax. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.